그런 말에 정말 다르지요 그니 다시 올라가지 않을 위로 All I wanna do is keep it with you 너의 몸에 그린 것만 같은 미소 오늘 일상처럼 네 마음을 see through All I wanna do is keep it with you Okay, yeah. Girl 뭐가 중요한지 baby 바로 말해줄게 나 지금 어쩌면 시계 찾지만 나를
좀 더 화려하래요. 조금 더 곡을 부르는 거. 조금 더 고운 식사로.
좋은 색깔요?
마음에 드시나요?
자기는?
What about you? 버전까지 해주세요.
머리 네.
Princess Paula. Ready for her Korean drama.
Yes. Yeah.
네가 들어오려 해 쉽게 빠질까봐 위험해 보여 조심하려 할 때 움직여지지 않아 널 보는 내 시선이 내 몸을 감아 하나로 아껴 너무나 이제부터
Remember the people, but most are nighttime. I think because maybe too many people during the day. Oh,
서로에게 녹아들어
yeah, like Victor say, you know, we have no steps in Orlando. Pretty much.
Everything is
goes
electric.
Electric escalator, you know. So I'm like, oh my God, so hard.
같이 올라가자 하늘 위로 All I wanna do is kick it with you 그대 원한 대로 내를 닮은 밑을 이제부터 널 부르게 해줘 마구 All I wanna do is kick it with you
내가 하고 싶은 모든 것 뒤에 너와 함께가 생략돼 있지 그저 믿기만 한 교포 빠르과는 달라 김치 향기가 베이지 덕분에 난 뭐라 호는 게 나는 옷은 방에 쌓여가고 그 속밤에 입은 편하게
Paula, how are the dumplings?
Very good, very good. I love it.
머리 아주 이쁘게 잘.
I was telling Paula that this is the real Korea. Street food, in the market, loud, everyone yelling, bartering. This is the authentic Korea for me. This is where I wait to come. Anytime I come to Korea, this is what I look forward to. So today is Sunday, and Paula and Victor and I are heading to a wedding. It's going to be in Yeouido at a convention center. So as you can see, we're all looking nice and fit. It's a very nice day today. We had a great time yesterday going to the market and having some good food, and then came back here and I knocked out. So we have another big day ahead of us. We have a wedding. We're going to Namsan and then going for Korean barbecue, which Paula has been waiting very patiently for. So I'll see you there. To congratulate people and kind of, this is, no problem. It's a decoration as people are walking in.
Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, get the drum rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I get my ping pong. This is heavy, we hit baseball, I'm ready. Life's sweet as honey, get this beach chain like money.
Oh my goodness, when do you get an opportunity like this, right? We just took pictures with the bride And they just asked myself to speak at the wedding. Huh?
Shining through the city with a little funky soul. Light it up like dynamite. Bring a friend,
I'm so happy to be here attending an authentic Korean drama. I've seen all this in the Korean movies, you know, and now I'm here to experience this unique wedding. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you so much.
큰 박수 부탁드리겠습니다.
안녕하세요. 제가 한국말로 해도 되죠? 제가 뭐 하길래 이 자리에 서게 되는지 잘 모르겠습니다. 15년 전에 제가 That was an experience. That was my first Korean wedding too, and that was Paula's as well, right?
It was fantastic.
Oh my goodness, the whole ceremony and then the food.
I really like it. It was really nice. Thank you very much.
All right, so we are on to our next stop after that very extravagant and beautiful wedding, and now we are heading to Namsan Tower. Namsan Tower is a very tall tower on the top of a mountain in Seoul. And once you get to the top of the tower, you'll be able to see the entire city. It has an amazing view. So you'll see that tower in, different Korean dramas or different movies. It can be a romantic place. People will, propose to each other there. So we are getting ready to hop on the cable car to head up to the tower. Look at Paula starring in her own Korean drama, walking through the row of locks. All right, this is it. Where Paula and I split.
Oh,
And Victor and I split.
oh my God.
We had an amazing trip together. Man, a lot of experiences, and really look forward to the next one. Korea, this is not the this is not the last time that we will be here. I promise you that. Okay, Paula. Absolutely. I'm very glad everything worked out the way it did so far. And I was
Can't dance, because I'm unfortunate.
ding-a-ding-a-ling.